wash your hands and put some soap.
That's right. Because if you don't, you're going to get what on your hands?
Germs and corona. Bye, corona. Everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jannah.
And what are we doing today?
We had a lot of videos. We had used peppers, water, and soap, and plate.
And we're doing the pepper and soap experiment.
Yeah.
And what do we need to do first?
Ingredient, peppers, water, soap, and plate.
And we need to put the water onto the plate. Let's do that.
And we had to go little bit, just a little bit, and we don't make a mess. Okay. Oops.
And what do we need next?
We don't drink water. And we need peppers.
Okay.
A little bit pepper. We put germs. That's why you had to wash your hands.
That's why you need to wash your hands?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I think that's enough pepper. All right, now put your finger in the pepper. Okay.
That way you get germs.
Right, but if you wash your hands with soap, put some soap on your finger, Jannah. Let's see what happens. Go ahead. Whoa, it repels it. You saw that? That was so cool. That was so cool, Jannah. You want to do it again? All right.
It's so fun and this is not like cool, but you put your germs on it. You had to wash your hands and put some soap.
That's right. Because if you don't, you're going to get what on your hands?
Germs and corona. Bye, corona.
All right, Jannah.
It's so cute.
Whoa. All right, Jannah. So we're washing our hands, right? And what is the first thing we need to do?
We have to get some soap and water.
We need soap and water, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's turn on the water. Oh, you need a little bit more water than that. Okay. And let's get some soap.
Yes.
All right. And then we need to scrub, scrub, scrub.
Happy to Jannah. Happy birthday to Jannah. Don't fall. You don't fall. That's gonna hurt and be strong.
Okay.
Jannah, happy birthday to Jannah. Happy birthday to Jannah. Happy birthday to you.
Good job. So we should wash at least 20 seconds. And then we dry our hands. Oh. Jannah, when should we wash our hands?
On the bathroom. Before eating, after eating. Before cooking. After using the potty. After blowing your nose. After sneezing. Achoo! After coughing.
How should we cough? Good job.
After playing outside.
Good job.
Thank you for watching my video.